Lightning Protection Systems. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex North American electrical safety codes and standards. This 12-hour instructor-led course teaches students how to design lightning protection systems, control strike energy, integrate grounding, and mitigate ground potential rise. It emphasizes specialized practices beyond NEC coverage and shows how to coordinate surge protection devices. What you'll learn. Students will study lightning phenomena, risk assessment, and protection principles, design of protection systems for towers, structures, and equipment, division and control of strike energy, integration with facility grounding and GPR mitigation, and surge protection and shielding methods. This course delivers detailed course materials, lectures, and group discussions. Students review case studies, gain guidance on integrating lightning protection with grounding systems, and learn effective strategies for safe and practical grounding methods. Who should attend? This course is designed for power system engineers, technicians, facility managers, designers, electrical contractors, safety officers, and maintenance staff responsible for infrastructure protection. This course comes with a Lightning Protection Systems Training Certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, and a 100-page electrical grounding handbook. Safeguard facilities from lightning hazards and reduce operational risk. Register today for EFTI's Lightning Protection Systems training.